So today we're talking about travel, but not just any travel.
Right.
We're diving deep into the idea of bespoke travel experiences.
Yes.
Those trips that are carefully curated just for you. And to do that, we're taking a closer look at a company called LugiDesign Travels.
Okay.
They operate in South Africa, and they promise to,
Yeah.
go beyond the usual tourist traps and really immerse you in the heart of the country.
Mm-hmm.
With a special focus, it seems, on the power of food.
I like it.
So from what I'm gathering from LugiDesign Travels' website, they really want to paint this picture with their words.
Absolutely.
Like, they use phrases like vibrant tapestry of South Africa, or they talk about your trip becoming this symphony of memories.
It's very evocative, isn't it?
It is.
It's like they're selling a feeling, an aspiration, more than just a list of destinations or activities.
Yeah.
It's really playing into that desire for something more than just another vacation.
Right, exactly.
Something truly unique and memorable.
And what really struck me, and I kind of touched on this earlier, is their emphasis on food.
Oh, absolutely.
They're all about how every dish tells a tale and how flavors ignite the senses. It's like, okay, I'm intrigued. What's the story here?
Well, and I think it speaks to this growing trend of culinary tourism,
Oh, yeah.
where it's not just about, trying new and exotic dishes,
Yeah.
but really understanding the stories behind them, the history, the culture, the people. Like, imagine sitting down to a Cape Malay curry in Bokau,
Okay.
right? I mean, it's delicious, sure, but as you savor each bite, you're also tasting this amazing fusion of Malaysian, Indonesian, Dutch influences that have all come together to create this unique cuisine. It's like a history lesson on a plate.
That's powerful.
It is. It's powerful.
And it seems like LugiDesign Travels is curating these experiences across a range of locations in South Africa.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, they mentioned the obvious ones like Cape Town, the winelands, the garden route.
Of course.
But then they also mention these lesser-known spots like Klein, Karoo, which I have to admit I had to look at.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's like stepping back in time.
Really?
You have these wide open spaces, these rugged landscapes. It's incredible.
And each region, I imagine, has its own unique flavor, right? Like, what kind of stories would you encounter, say, in the winelands?
Oh, the winelands are fascinating. It's not just about the wine, although the wine is incredible,
Right.
but it's the history of the vineyards.
Yeah.
Many dating back centuries.
Oh, wow.
Like, you could visit a place like Mirlust, which dates back to the 1600s.
Wow.
And you can taste Pinotage, which is this red grape varietal that's actually unique to South Africa.
No kidding.
So you're experiencing, history. You're experiencing this unique terroir.
It's like drinking history.
It really is.
I love that.
It's amazing.
One thing I'm curious about, though, with LugiDesign Travels is how they kind of balance this idea of luxury with adventure.
Right.
Because, they talk about both, but can a trip really be both luxuriously comfortable and genuinely adventurous?
I think that's where the bespoke element really comes into play, right? Because it's about understanding what those two words mean to you.
Right.
Like, for some people, adventure might be, bungee jumping off a bridge or something.
Sure.
But for others, it might just be, trying a new food or exploring a new town.
Right.
So LugiDesign Travels, they're kind of saying, tell us what you want, what gets you excited, and we'll tailor the experience to you.
So it's all about those unexpected juxtapositions then, right? Like, maybe it's staying in this luxurious lodge nestled in Kruger National Park,
Exactly.
but then you're sipping sundowners overlooking a watering hole
Yes.
that's teeming with wildlife.
It's that contrast, right, that
Wow.
makes it so memorable. Or maybe it's having this incredible gourmet meal, but it's served under the stars in the middle of the bush.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
And what I also find interesting is that for all their evocative language and the images they conjure, they're also surprisingly vague about certain things.
Absolutely.
Like, I couldn't actually find any specific prices on their website.
Right.
And the itineraries are very loosely defined.
And I think that's deliberate on their part.
You do.
I think it reinforces this idea that your journey with them, it's going to be uniquely crafted for you.
Okay.
They're basically saying, tell us your dreams, your passions, your wildest desires, and we will design a journey that surpasses them.
So it's less about booking pre-packaged tour
Yes.
and more about collaborating with them
Exactly.
to create something truly unique.
Precisely. It's like having a personal travel designer.
That's a great way to put it. It's like having your own personal travel designer who's also like a culinary expert.
Exactly.
And they're just going to create this amazing experience.
Absolutely.
So it's not just about seeing South Africa, it's about experiencing it on a deeper level.
Yeah.
With food as your guide
Absolutely.
and luxury woven into every adventure.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
That's LugiDesign Travels in a nutshell.
There you go.
I'm very intrigued.
Me too. Me too.
I'm ready to book a flight.
Well, before you do, let me ask you this. If you were to embark on this kind of personalized food journey
Okay.
anywhere in the world, what one element would be absolutely non-negotiable for you?
Ooh.
What's your must-have?
That's a good question.
Think about that.
That's something for our listeners to think about as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What's your must-have?
I'm going to have to ponder that one.
Yeah, let us know.
I'll get back to you.
Right.
All right. Thanks for listening, everybody.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
And we'll see you next time.
See you later.